Okay, so let's look at how to find average rate of change of a function. So say we have a function f of x equals 4x squared minus 3x, and we want to find the average rate of change between when my x is 3 and when my x is 5. So again, I'm going to write out y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, because average rate of change is again generally just my slope. And in a function, my f of x takes the place of my y. So I kind of already know my x's. I have an x1 and an x2 here. So if I could find my y's, I could go ahead and use this. So I'm going to find my f of 3. If I find my f of 3, 4 times 3 squared minus 3 times 3. Want to do order of operations, so 4 times 9 minus 3 times 3. 36 minus 9, 27. So I have 1.3 comma 27. Can do the exact same thing with my 5 and get f of 5 equals 4 times 5 squared minus 3 times 5. Again, order of operations, so 4 times 25 minus 3 times 5. 100 minus 15, 85. So 5 comma 85. Can go ahead and put this in and say, well, y2, I'll choose this to be 2, this to be 1. So y2 is 85 minus 27 all over 5 minus 3. 85 minus 27 is 58 over 2. And I can simplify that. 58 over 2 is just 29. So my rate of change is just 29. Often we're working with functions. We're going to write out the rate of change in function notation, so we're not going to use y's. So what I'm going to do instead is say that this is a. My first x is a, so instead of using 0.1 or x1, I'm going to use a. My second point is b. So again, instead of using x2 or 0.2, I'm going to use b. Well, if I do that, then this now becomes, the top is y's, but again the top is my x's, so f of b, the top is y's, but y's again are f of x. So f of b minus f of a over x2 would be b minus a. So in function notation, this can be how my rate of change is written. Don't really care how you remember it, but you're going to be seeing this a lot more.